Hello, I am Chef Carol, NYC, and I teach low-carb, keto-friendly, step-by-step cooking. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stay around and subscribe, and if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. To prepare the skillet, I have cabbage that I've cut into bite-sized pieces. I have an onion, which has been diced. I have a half a cup of rotel, diced tomatoes and green chilies. I have Hunt's tomato sauce with basil, garlic, and oregano. And I have Bragg's liquid aminos, all-purpose seasoning. I also have some minced garlic, dried parsley, ground pepper, salt, and I also have a beef broth. And I'm also using an all-natural ground turkey, which is 85% lean and 15% fat. Let's get to it. To start with, I preheated my pan, and I put a little avocado spray in it, even though it is a non-stick pan. So what I'm going to do is let the meat actually brown on this side. I need to turn the fan on. Let the meat brown on this side, then I'll flip it over and let it brown on that side. Then I will chop it up and add in the onions and the garlic. I am turning my meat over. And I'll let it brown on this side. At this point, I'm going to add in my onions and the garlic. I will cook this until the onions are translucent and the meat gets brown nicely. So at this point, I'm just going to drain off some of the excess liquid in the pan, and then we'll get this going. I was able to drain off about 1/4 of a cup of liquid. Now, going to add a little homemade seasoning mix, and I'll give you a link to that in the description. And even though the recipe doesn't call for it, I like to not just season everything at one time. This allows the food to have layers of flavor. Now comes the easy part. We're just going to put all of the ingredients. This is the salt, some pepper, dried parsley, rotel, tomato sauce. I'm going to add in the beef broth, and I'll add in the Bragg's aminos. I'm just going to mix this up. I'm going to just add in the cabbage. that it took for me to clean up my dishes, this dish has cooked itself. I'm just going to leave the lid off and let some of the liquid get absorbed. And I'll have a little taste. Now, this dish is finished. I apologize for all the exhaust noise, but it's winter outside and the house is closed up. So I'm just going to take a taste. Okay, I am ready to taste. I know it's going to be good because really good ingredients went into making it. It's a little bit hot. So good. My favorite weekday dish. It's a little spicy. Has just a little bit of a kick that you get from the Rotel, but I definitely recommend this. So if you like what I've done today and you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.